Good morning. This is the exacttrades.com movers report for September 22nd, 2011. First, we're taking a look at RHT. You can see we're gapping up this morning. Last is at 42.50. This is significant because pretty much the entire market's gapping down. So there's only a few stocks gapping up. RHT in between this 42.50 and 43 area. So right in there. I'm going to look to take this long off the open on a new high of the day. Now this may pull back off the open, and that's fine. Just look for some relative strength against any selling in the market if we start to break down through support. If RHT holds and we get a bounce in the market, this is going to be a good long over the new high of the day. I would say your profit target's going to be about 43 cents for your entry. Second profit target's going to be about 86 cents. And then areas to watch for will be 44 and also 45 for resistance. Next we have LOGI. Gapping down this morning. Last is at 7.55, giving a little bit of a bounce off of the lows around 7.35. Big gap down, breaking through support level. So see how we've been on this downtrend, pretty much for the last 15 sessions or so. I'd say 12, 15 sessions down. Then we have this break. I'm actually going to look to take this long off the open, wait for it to settle, and be patient. If we open up and we get a drop, just back off of it, set your alert at the open or the high of the day if it's the same, and then wait for a break above that high of the day. First profit target's going to be about 8 cents from your entry. Second profit target's going to be about 16 cents. And then watch this $8 mark for resistance. Next we have REE, another gap down, broke through about 670, down into 610 and trying to hold above 6. So watch for this at the open, see if it can hold that 6. If we get some good volume and a move up over the high of the day, take this long. First profit target is going to be about 6 cents. Second profit target is going to be about 12 cents. And again, this is going to have a lot to do with the market. We're gapping down pretty big in the SPY and in the markets. If we can penetrate that gap and trend up for today off of that bottom, then we could have some good longs that are exhaustive gaps like this that have gapped down at the end of their move, and start to get some buyers pushing it back up here. Next we have EXK gapping down this morning. Got support here 11.10 and then also 11. So we're coming at some pretty good support levels. You can see back here 8.29, 8.26. Had some consolidation as resistance and then held that as support. So we're going to be watching that. And this stock's been consolidating ever since up in these highs. And this stock has been actually pretty strong against the market. So I'm going to look for a bounce off the open. I'm going to take this long on a new high of the day. First profit target is going to be about 12 cents for your entry. Second profit target is going to be 24 cents. Watch this 11.50. There's going to be some more resistance here at about 11.65 and then 11.80. So those are going to be some areas that you watch once you get long. Be patient. Again, we could get some more selling off the open. I'm not guaranteeing that we're going to have a bounce right away. And also you're going to want to find some good short ideas of things that are breaking through support but not gapping way past it. Something that maybe is consolidated as support, is breaking it off of the open, and then has some selling off the open. Those are going to be some good shorts today as well. And next we have ACOM. See the support level here. Actually the lows were around 26.50 and then broke through those and end yesterday's session around 27. And we're gapping down to about 24.87 is the last, so right around that 25 mark. I'm going to watch for that open. This may bounce a little bit. I'm actually looking to take this more on the short side, so this is one that I like more to take short. So look for maybe a slight bounce or selling off the open. Take this short on the new low of the day. First profit target is going to be 24 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 48. And you're going to want to watch this 24 area for support and then trail down into 23. And our last trade is JDSU. You can see coming down the support level. Last is at 11.62 down to 11.50 and gapping down through these support levels. So we're going to look to take this short. This could have a little bit of a bounce. See if it has a weak bounce or consolidates off the open and then fails to new low of the day. Take this short. First profit target is going to be 11 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 22 cents from your entry. And then trail the stop down into 11. Watch 11. You could have some pretty good support at 11. Also, if we continue to gap down and we open closer to this 11, I may pass on this trade. If it opens below 11.25, I would skip it. If it's above 11.25, I still think you can get that 2% down to 11 and just see how it acts on the open. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.